Why do I have to wait this long? It's so stupid.
'Cause it's just life.
Holy fire truck.
Just wait, Kelly. Time to go on our subway.
Yay.
Hello. It's Catherine Begis.
Let's talk.
Okay, talk about going to Washington. What we are going to do there.
Okay, want to go to the White House?
Yes.
I'm tired.
U.S. President Kelly O'Brien in Washington, D.C., America.
Yay.
Kelly O'Brien, how old are you? 39? 40? 41? Or what?
Can't tell.
No, Mrs. O'Brien, you're the president.
28.
Okay, when you're bigger.
I was born on February 2nd.
Okay. 2nd February 1984?
Yep, that's when I was born. That was the best dream ever, Alan.
Really? What was it, Kelly?
I was president.
Cool. Let's wait till we get to Washington.
Okay, let's dance.
You and I make the best moves in the world.
We do, me too.
It's a shame we can't go to the White House, because I was looking forward to that.
Oh well, we're at the beach. It's a bit stupid to go swimming in your clothes.
Enjoy the rest of this holiday.